remember. And the only system that were ripped apart was the memory as well. So whatever could have done this is in the pizzeria or out, and we're just trying to figure that out.